Ah, Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to take you to the last prose lesson which is remaining undone so far. I was really expecting for your arrival, your physical presence in the classroom, and then I wanted to do that. But as per the situations that we are facing, instead of wasting my time unnecessarily, I have decided to take you to the lesson on this online class. The lesson is Where There Is a Veil. You have, I think, heard a similar saying we often use in English. Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. ಮನಸ್ಸಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಗವಿದೆ. In the same way, where there is a veil, can you please complete the saying? But now with this, we cannot say the title is fully expressed. Where there is a veil, you can assume, you can a word, you can add a word with your imagination, with your sense of understanding to make the title or to make the saying a meaningful one. Think for a while, try to add a word which may make the expression fully meaningful. Where there is a veil, there is a moment. Unless there is a veil, you cannot expect a movement. Yes, good. Let us begin the sentence, please. Begin the lesson, please. Dear students, where there is a veil, let us come to that. Dear students, in the initial paragraph of the lesson, on page number 119, the narrator is expressing his view that it sounds a bit strange to think of a bicycle that may cause to bring a social movement. It is difficult to imagine that a bicycle may bring or may cause a social movement, but here in this lesson you will see that the bicycle has brought a moment, a social moment it is. If you, for example, look at the cell phone in your hand. Today, somehow, without bringing to our notice, it has caused to bring a movement. Because sitting in a remote corner in your village, you can talk to anybody who is in the farthest corner on the earth. You can see him, you can see her. You can not only you can talk to them, you can even see them physically. And you can conduct conversation. You may conduct your business dealings. So, many things which were supposed impossible have become possible because of the cell phone, and you may sell your goods. You may purchase the goods you need at home. Amazon, don't you send your orders? Don't you get many things from the Amazon? But is it not your cell phone that what came to your help to either to sell or to buy? Is it not a kind of movement as the bicycle did in Pudukottai, a poorest district in Tamil Nadu? This is about that. Then in the first paragraph on the following page, page number 120, the narrator is giving a little statistic information about the number of young women, the neo-literate women they are, who have learned cycling in the district of Pudukottai, one of the poorest districts in Tamil Nadu, our neighboring state. Continuing his description, how the bicycle is becoming more and more popular among young women in the district, he gives examples of women like Fatima, Jamila Bibi, Kannammal, who once upon a time were bound to their kitchen and never dared to come out of their door. But now they are prepared to zip along their bicycles as any young chap may like to do. Initially, men who saw these young women cycling made dirty remarks. But these neo-literate young ladies bore the insults with silence. Young women, the neo-literates, working for the Arivoli Ivakkam. What do the words mean? Arivoli Ivakkam. What is Arivoli Ivakkam? It is a non-government organization. And what do the words mean? Light of knowledge movement. What do the words mean? Light of knowledge movement. Arivoli Ivakkam. It is an NGO. It is a private organization working to support the aim and objectives of the government to literate the illiterate ones, to literate the illiterate adults. It was a government program in the 1970s, and later. Initially, people made dirty remarks when these young women went on their bicycles, but the women bore it with silence and patience. Young women working as activists in Arivoli Ivakkam first learnt cycling, and later they taught so many other young women of their age groups, you may say, in their neighborhood. This art has given the women folk a kind of freedom and has helped them muster their courage to come out of their kitchen, to which they seemed to have been born. They are becoming more and more independent. They need not wait for their gents in their families whenever they have to fetch water from far off places, or if they have to go for selling out their agricultural produces like fruits and vegetables. These young women carry out all on their own without waiting for buses. Cycling has swept across the district. See the phrase. Look at the phrase. Listen to the phrase. Cycling has swept across the district. You should learn to use words of this kind, phrases of this kind, and you should make sentences. This would be helpful to answer a question in the question paper. Then it has provided basically mobility to the folk. Earlier, they did never enjoy this freedom. Apart from being bound to their kitchen, for everything they depended on gents at home. But now you can see a woman riding her bicycle with 2 pots full of water, sometimes even a child along with her, made to sit on the seat in front of her behind the handle. You might have seen a small sized seat arranged to sit a baby. They can even go to sell their agricultural produces like fruits and vegetables. They need not wait for buses or for their father or any brother to take the luggage up to the bus stand in their villages. Cycling has helped them to reach poorly connected areas. Also, their time can be spared because they need not wait for hours and hours for buses. In a little duration of time, they attend their selling and return home to attend some other works at home like cleaning the pots, washing their clothes, preparing food, or learning some other things like tailoring, knitting, and so many. Some ladies even may like to go to learn to computer classes. They can do all this because their time is saved. But earlier, the whole of the day was used uselessly. After completing their selling, their agricultural produce, they had to wait for the bus coming. For hours together they had to wait, but now they have become free. They have become independent. This is how the bicycle has brought a kind of a movement, a social movement. How ladies have become free, have become independent, how they are enjoying freedom. This is in the lesson. Please read the lesson. Tomorrow I shall take one more class on this lesson and then it will be over. Thank you. Until you read, any teacher's effort would be fruitless. A teacher can hold a torch on the way on the way you are going. A teacher is not the final authority. Your efforts, your individual efforts are the final thing. What helps you build your future. Thank you. Please maintain distance. Please be happy. Thank you. Be aware of the examination. You must have to write the examination. Certainly you shall have to write the examination. Yes, it is a must. Thank you. With this simple session, I shall complete my today's class. Let us meet tomorrow. Thank you.